Dad, you might want to be careful. Dad, you better not bring that over here. I just gave him my idea. This is perfect to watch with family and friends. Perfect to watch.
Good boy.
Come on, Rocky. Break the heat. Fun to watch with kids and family. That makes your butt in the way. Come on, grab it! Rocky, come on, grab it! Oh, Dad, don't! I'm actually really serious. Get it, boy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Rocky. Get it. Get it real good.
Watch. 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 Watch.
The talented dog, Rocky.
Ya me ganó. Let go. Let go. Let go, güey. Let go, güey. Suéltala, güey. No. Rocky. No. Rocky. No.
Rocky.
No.
No.
Ready?
Dad, no, Bob. Serious. Stop. Dad, you're growing gray hairs. We gotta go. We gotta go. Guys, if you don't know who my dog is, his name is Rocky. He has 3 months old next year. I mean, did you see that jump? He let go of the towel. Rocky jumped. And then he has 2 points for the dog. 8 points for the human.
Let go, güey.
Let go.
Déjala. Let go. Rocky. Rocky, let go.
Let go. Perfect view. Can you guys see this? Orlando's watching this. This is my dog. Don't tell me I said where I live or he's gonna make fun of me. I'm coming to the house on the 7th. So don't worry. My brother would think about it. Just tell your mom. Don't worry, Dad. Come on.